Imagine stepping out of your spaceship and instantly being crushed, burned, and dissolved all at once. The sky above isn't blue. It's a thick, toxic soup swirling with sulfuric acid clouds. The ground? It's so hot that lead melts like butter. Welcome to Venus, the planet where hell decided to settle down. But what if, somehow, you didn't die? What if you survived here for 100 days? Would you evolve, mutate, or simply go mad beneath those golden skies? Let's find out. You land your pod through a storm of acid rain. Lightning flashes across yellow clouds, each bolt 10 times more powerful than anything on Earth. The pod shakes violently as your systems scream warnings, pressure 90 times that of Earth, temperature 475 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to cook a pizza in 9 seconds, or you in 2. Even inside your titanium suit, the heat seeps in. The air outside is carbon dioxide thick enough to swim through, laced with acid droplets. Your first breath, if you tried one, would boil your lungs. But somehow your suit holds. Day 1, survived. Barely. By day 10, you've realized something. Venus doesn't just want you dead. It wants you to disappear. Every surface camera is covered in acid burns. Metal plates are beginning to warp. Your solar panels? They're useless. Sunlight barely pierces this cloudy inferno. You're running on backup power, rationing oxygen and fighting off despair. Outside, you can hear crackling thunder that never ends. Somewhere in the distance, the ground glows faintly, volcanic lightning dancing across endless plains. Venus is alive, and it's angry. After a month, the human body starts to adapt, or tries to. You've been living in isolation, surrounded by death, heat, and silence. Your mind begins to play tricks. You start hearing whispers through your comms, echoes that don't belong to Earth. Is it the storm? Or is Venus whispering back? Your bones ache from the pressure. You can't remove your suit for a second. The air outside would turn your blood to steam. Your skin, under the constant heat and vibration, develops sores. You dream of cold rain, of blue skies, but you wake up to orange clouds and sulfur winds that never stop howling. 2 months in, your body begins to change. Radiation and heat have done their work. Your sweat glands stop working. Your heart slows down. You no longer feel heat the same way and or pain. You've become something new. Not quite human, not quite alien. You venture outside for the first time without full shielding. Your boots sink slightly into molten ground. The world looks beautiful, in a terrifying way. Golden horizons, black volcanic peaks, lightning that splits the heavens like the wrath of a god. You realize something chilling. You've adapted to hell, and you're not sure you want to leave? Day 100. Your oxygen is gone. Your systems are melting, yet you're still here, breathing somehow. Venus has claimed you. The planet that kills every machine, every probe, every trace of Earth has kept you alive. When rescue finally arrives, they find only a suit, empty, burnt, and yet its visor glows faintly from within. Maybe you survived. Maybe you evolved, or maybe Venus doesn't let go of what it owns. So what if you survived on Venus for 100 days? Would you conquer the planet, or would the planet conquer you? If you enjoyed this journey through fire and acid, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you spend a day on Venus? If it meant becoming something more than human?